This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I'm at the Florida State Fairgrounds for opening day of the 2024 Tampa Bay Summer RV Show. This is Trayanne with FRVTA, and I'm at the Florida State Fairgrounds for opening day of the 2024 Tampa Bay Summer RV Show. It's a beautiful day at the Florida State Fairgrounds, perfect for exploring the world of recreational vehicles. This annual event is a must-visit for RV enthusiasts and newcomers alike, offering an unparalleled shopping experience. Let's dive into why a multi-dealer RV show is the best place to find your next adventure companion. At a multi-dealer RV show like this one, you get to explore a wide variety of RVs all in one place. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting your RV journey, there's something for everyone. You can compare models, features, and prices from different dealers side by side, ensuring you make the best choice for your needs and budget. We have some absolutely gorgeous Class A and Class A diesel motorhomes. With gorgeous, luxurious interiors and ample space, these giants of the RV world are perfect for long-term travel or even full-time living. You can be confident that your new Class A motorhome will be equipped with top-notch amenities to make you feel right at home on the road. Next, we have the Class C motorhomes, recognizable by their overcab sleeping areas. These are a great option for families, offering a good balance of space and maneuverability. They provide all the comforts of home with a slightly smaller footprint than a Class A. Super C motorhomes combine the luxurious amenities and spacious interiors of a Class A with the power and durability of a commercial-grade truck chassis. Their enhanced towing capacity and robust engine make them perfect for travelers who need to bring along extra gear or tow a vehicle. Personally, I love the combination of their rugged-looking exteriors and elegant interiors. For those who prefer a more compact option, Class B camper vans are ideal. These versatile vehicles are perfect for spontaneous adventures and urban exploring. They combine functionality with mobility, making them a favorite among solo travelers and couples. Moving on to fifth wheels, these trailers offer a unique layout with a raised forward section. They provide exceptional living space and are towed by a pickup truck with a special hitch. Fifth wheels are known for their residential feel and luxurious interiors. Travel trailers are a popular choice due to their wide range of sizes and styles. Whether you need a compact trailer for weekend getaways or an epic destination trailer, there's a travel trailer to suit every lifestyle and budget. For adventure enthusiasts, toy haulers are a fantastic option. They come with a built-in garage, perfect for transporting ATVs, motorcycles, and other gear. They offer a great blend of living space and cargo capacity, making them ideal for active travelers. And depending on how you like to travel, they have fifth wheel options, travel trailer, and even motorized. Tent campers are another excellent choice for those who want to keep things simple. These lightweight trailers expand at the campsite to provide more living space. They're easy to tow and store, making them a great option for occasional campers and small families. Last but not least, we have teardrop trailers. These compact, stylish trailers are perfect for minimalist travelers who want a cozy and efficient space. They're easy to tow with almost any vehicle and offer a comfortable place to sleep and relax after a day of adventure. Beyond the RVs, the show also features a variety of vendor booths. Here you can find everything from portable air conditioning to beat the heat, mobile RV technicians, replacement awnings and slide toppers, RV glass and windshield replacement, mini golf carts, finance options, RV parts and accessories, and many other options to make your camping experience phenomenal. It's a one-stop shop for your RVing experience. One of the best parts of the Tampa Bay Summer RV Show is the opportunity to talk directly with the reps. You can ask questions, get expert advice, and even take advantage of special show pricing and financing options. And don't forget to take a break and enjoy the fair food and music. And maybe even sign up to raise a puppy. Make sure to stop to register to win. We're giving away $100 gift card daily. So whether you're dreaming of a luxurious motorhome, a rugged toy hauler, or a cozy teardrop trailer, the Tampa Bay Summer RV Show is the place to be. Explore, compare, and find the RV that's perfect for your next adventure. The 2024 Tampa Bay Summer RV Show is being held at the Florida State Fairgrounds June 6th through 9th. The gates are open Thursday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 9 to 4. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, FRVTA, for sneak peek and opening day videos of all of our regional, multi-dealer RV shows, the annual Super Show, and highlights of our amazing Florida attractions, state parks, and RV resorts. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.